Hello everyone. Now we learn E, A and AI words. E, A, which is long E sound. E. Okay. Now the words are eat, eat, eek, beak, eat, heat, eat, meat, eek, peak, eek, leak. Then eek, week, eat, seat, see, eagle, eagle. Once again we repeat. A make the sound long E sound. That is long E sound. Ate, eat, eek, beak, eat, heat, eat, meat, eek, peak, eek, leak, eek, week, eat, seat, see, eagle, eagle. Then AI makes the A makes sound. A makes sound. R, ain, rain. T, ale, tail. S, ale, snail. P, ainch, painch. Ain, main. Tr, ain, train. R, ain, rainbow. Air. Brain, brain. Ale, male. Grain, grain. Chain. Repeat again. A words. A makes the sound. A only makes the sound. Here the words are ain, rain. Ale, tail. Ale, snail. Ainch, painch. Ain, main. Ain, train. Ain, rainbow. Air, ain, brain. Ale, male. Ain, grain. Ain, chain. Thank you.